What's up, everybody? Got this green tea here, green tea Orient it says, still by the Lipton stuff. Almost finished with the tea reviews. Check the description for the whole series. Green tea Orient, it's flavored green tea, you know. Looks like stones. A moment to balance. Should be relaxing, like green tea's meant to I don't know, okay, balance. Maybe eat some oily stuff. This stuff reduces the oil. 90 degrees. Are you retarded, man? Anyone knows you're meant to put boiled water with tea. Stupid. So let's get the water boiled and see what it tastes like. But first you need to open the packaging. I'm having another seizure, you know. Struggling to open the packaging. It's not my fault, you know. It just gets stuck to there. They put the glue in wrong. So looks kind of greenish. Don't know if the camera will pick it up, but like there's actual legit green stuff on the tea bag. Give it a smell. Smells like a typical tea bag, you know, like the Western tea. It's got a mix of wow, don't know what to describe there, man. It's like a taste, like a smell you can't describe, but like if only the camera picks up smell, you know what this smells like. So I can only really describe. So I'll describe it the best I can. Sort of like a flowerish, like leaves and shit, you know. Yeah. So got the water boiled and poured it in. It's got a legit green color to it. The camera doesn't show its justice. It's more like a yellowish on the camera, but I'm telling you that is green, okay? Believe me on this. Give it a few dunks. So this is just boiled water in there, okay? It hasn't been brewed, nothing, okay? Not let it sit. It's just boiled water in there. So initial color is slightest green. Oh, now it's actually turning yellowy. Yeah, I've got this coaster so I don't bust a hole in the table. And dunk it a few bits. Yeah, you can see the stuff inside the tea bag. So I'll let this sit here for a few minutes and then come back see what it tastes like. Right now the smell, it's a strong minty smell, you know. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes now and let it brewed for a bit. It's got a strong minty smell still, but now it's got more of a Indian restaurant pillar rice smell. If you ever had that before, so I'll give it a taste test. Oh, you like this lion coaster, yeah? Wow, tastes like nothing. Oh, what the bloody shit, man. It literally just tastes like boiled water. Tastes like nothing. Okay, aftertaste. There's a bit of a mint aftertaste, but pretty much it's just tasteless. It's got no flavor to it. It's just the smell. There's no flavor. What the heck is this, man? More bollocks.